Stop poaching eggs the traditional way. They can easily fall apart and lose their shape. They may not look very appetizing either. Instead, try this simple method. Today, I'm going to show you how to make neat and beautiful poached eggs Eastern European style, using a simple technique that also works well when preparing a large batch. At the same time, in just a few minutes. And by the end of the video, you'll have a delicious egg dish served with a rich and flavorful sauce that you'll want to make again, after just one bite. Let's get started. Poaching eggs directly in a pot can be difficult to control, especially when you're preparing breakfast for several people at once. The egg whites spread quickly, and sometimes the eggs fall apart before they are fully cooked. So instead, try this method. Prepare some silicone molds to help the eggs maintain their shape and keep the cooking process much neater. Prepare about 7 silicone molds. Heart-shaped molds can be used to make the poached eggs look even more attractive. Carefully place them on the counter. Next, prepare some warm salt water. Pour about 400 milliliters of warm water into a measuring cup. Then add about 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Stir gently until the salt completely dissolves into the water. Then pour the salt water into the silicone molds. Only add a small amount to the bottom of each mold. Avoid filling them too much, so the eggs have enough room while cooking. The salt helps the egg whites hold their shape better during cooking instead of spreading into the water. This helps the poached eggs come out smoother, rounder, and much more attractive. This method is simple, practical, and easy to follow. Once the water's prepared, it's time to add the eggs. Take one fresh egg and carefully crack it into each silicone mold. Crack the eggs gently so the yolks stay intact and remain nicely centered. The thin layer of salt water underneath also helps prevent the eggs from sticking to the molds during cooking. It can also help keep the yolk centered, making the finished eggs look much neater and more attractive. Once all the eggs are ready, carefully place the silicone molds upright inside a large pot. Position them gently so they remain stable and don't tip over. Next, slowly pour boiling water into the pot around the molds until the water reaches about 1/3 of the mold height. Lower the heat and cook the eggs for about 5 to 7 minutes. For a runny yolk, cook them for around 5 minutes. If you prefer softer whites with yolks that are more set, cook them for about 7 minutes or longer, depending on your preferred level of doneness. This cooking method is inspired by a simple Eastern European style of preparing poached eggs. The technique is especially useful when you want neatly shaped eggs without having to worry about the whites spreading through the water. The result is surprisingly beautiful, with the eggs keeping a neat and attractive shape. Using silicone molds makes the process much easier and more consistent. Since discovering this technique, it's become a convenient way to prepare poached eggs at home. It's especially helpful whenever you need to make several eggs at the same time. Now, let's continue with the cooking process and see how the eggs turn out. They will still be very hot. Gently pour out any remaining water from inside the molds. At this point, you can already see how smooth and beautifully shaped the eggs look. Next, gently loosen the edges of the eggs from the molds. Take your time and work carefully so the eggs keep their shape. Then slowly slide each poached egg onto a plate. You'll immediately notice how neat and beautifully shaped they look. The egg whites are soft and smooth, while the yolks remain nicely centered. That's one of the reasons this method works so well. It's simple, clean, and produces great results with very little effort. The eggs also have a smooth texture and an attractive appearance. Now, let's cut one open and see what's inside. Look at that soft, runny yolk in the center. It looks incredibly delicious, especially when served warm. The tender egg white gently surrounds the rich flowing yolk, making it look incredibly tempting. To make the eggs even more flavorful and satisfying, they can be served with a delicious savory meat sauce. Start with about 200 grams of ground meat. Then prepare a few vegetables to balance the flavor, including 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic, half a bell pepper, 1 carrot, and 1 tomato. Cut all the vegetables into small cubes and finely mince the garlic. Preparing the ingredients carefully helps everything cook evenly and creates a more enjoyable cooking process. Cutting the vegetables into small pieces also allows them to cook more evenly and blend nicely with the meat. The different colors also make the dish look brighter, fresher, and much more appetizing. Even before cooking, the ingredients already look colorful and full of homemade flavor. Once everything is prepared, move on to the cooking step. Place a pan on the stove over medium heat, add a little cooking oil, and allow it to warm up. Add the onion and minced garlic first, then saute until fragrant. Once the onion and garlic become soft, add the ground meat and stir well until it is lightly browned on the outside, while remaining juicy and tender inside. Next, add the remaining vegetables, including the tomatoes, bell pepper, and carrot. Stir everything together until the vegetables become slightly tender and release their delicious aroma. They should soften while still keeping some of their bright colors. To make the flavor richer, season everything with a little salt and black pepper. To give the sauce a deeper color and extra flavor, add a little chili powder. Finally, pour in a small amount of water. Lower the heat and let everything simmer gently until the sauce becomes thick, rich, and flavorful. Once the sauce is fully cooked, turn off the heat and prepare to combine it with the eggs. Before adding the sauce, you can lightly score each egg so the sauce can soak into the surface, or simply leave them whole. Next, use a spoon to slowly pour the hot meat and vegetable sauce over the poached eggs. The warm sauce spreads across the soft eggs and instantly makes the entire dish look colorful and appetizing. Finally, sprinkle a little cilantro on top to add a fresh finishing touch. The egg dish is now complete. The combination of colors, textures, and flavors makes this dish incredibly inviting. Now it's time to enjoy it. The tender poached eggs and creamy yolks blend into the flavorful and juicy meat sauce, creating a rich and satisfying bite. Combined with the natural sweetness of the vegetables and the smooth, savory sauce, everything comes together into a delicious and balanced meal. And that's a simple Eastern European-style poached egg recipe. It's an easy and delicious way to turn ordinary eggs into a warm homemade meal full of flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple cooking ideas and useful kitchen tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.